you just need to go around with the edges and make sure that if you check first and you're feeling is really scratchy, you are going to squeeze just that much in. You don't need a lot. Little go a long way. And make sure you can seal all of the metal frame here, just avoiding getting into the crystal, but right here around the crystal in the frame, you want to protect it to make sure that it stays really nice. And seals all the beads and the metal frame because it's prevent from getting tarnished. You want it last much like long as possible. You see, last within 4 to 6 weeks along with the nails until the clients come back again and get a new set. So seals and cure for 60 seconds. If the clients feel like it's still scratching on their hair and their clothes, you can definitely seal it again. This is so cute. I like that design a lot. So I'm gonna wipe off all the residues and then seal this one. This is so cute. And this one, okay, so now this is $6 for the foil and then $15 for the crystal, and then the crystal designs can be is $15 to like $20. It depends if the clients want you to add more metal frame, which is the bead like between all the crystal. You can definitely add it on. Then it's gonna be extra for the beads because it take you more products and more time from you and more technique and more skills. So check, you're feeling really good. And then you walk here. So now if the client's like, I really like this looks, but then I want it to be like $15 of design. So then you're gonna do is eliminating the crystal, which is that you're using one centipede, which is the perfect tiny perfect heart. You can take this off, you can take this off, take a centerpiece off. So you got like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can replace it with the SS, which is a round shape. And then that will cut back on the price for the client. So then it just, but then that's just like an option. That's how I was sharing it, exactly how I consult my clients and share with all different and say why is like big difference, because on a special shape, it costs you more money when you invest. And also they cost way more than it's just the SS. So that's why you want to consult the clients and give them the option so then they can choose, okay, you want $15 of a crystal design or you want is $20 of crystal designs. There's different in the products you are going to get. So here's that. Let me show you quick before we clear the second one.